In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a family event calendar using Google Calendar. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to organize and share family events effortlessly, keeping everyone on the same page and avoiding scheduling mishaps. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. Once you're there, take a glance towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a little plus sign icon. This is your gateway to creating a new calendar. Click on it to begin. Now, you will see the option to Create New Calendar. This is where you will initiate the process of setting up your family calendar. Think of a name for your calendar, something easy for everyone in your family to recognize. It could be as straightforward as Family Events. Go ahead and type that name in the appropriate field. Once you've named your calendar, click on Create Calendar. This officially sets up your calendar, marking the first step in ensuring your family stays informed and coordinated. Next, you'll want to locate your newly created calendar. It should be visible within your list of calendars. Right beside it, there's an icon with 3 dots. Clicking this opens a small menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This step is crucial because it allows your family members to have access. To add your family, input each family member's email address. This grants them the ability to not only view, but also change or update events on this calendar. Sharing calendars prevents confusion and helps everyone stay on top of family plans. Once you have entered all the necessary email addresses, your family members will have the access they need. With the setup complete, you're ready to start adding events. Click on the calendar, navigating to the date and time of your event. A window will pop up, prompting you to write in the specific details of your event. Make sure that the calendar you select for this event is the family event calendar you just created. This ensures that everyone on the calendar gets notified about the upcoming occasion. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a family event calendar on Google Calendar. This tool is incredibly useful for keeping family gatherings, celebrations, and other important events organized. With just a few clicks, you've made it easier for your family to stay connected and informed. Whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, or simple weekend get-togethers, having a shared calendar ensures that everyone is on the same page. Happy scheduling, and may your family events be well attended and stress-free.